Mamamatay na yung nanay mo?
Opo.
Galing sa bunga.
Meron isang abogado na tinulungan tayo. Bago kami nag-iwalay, hiningayan niya ako ng isang hibla ng hair.
Iparasyo mo ang DNA test sa Amerika. I need to know the result before I die.
Hindi ako papayag na makahati sa mana ng anak na isang dating chimay.
She will be a cripple all her life.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you all to meet my daughter.
Kasala mo na siya agad para mas mapapabilis ang divorce niyo at mapapasa ang yaman na katalaksan.
Mami, ang sarap naman ng soup na to.
Bagay na bagay sa mamahaling kanin. Fernando, milagrosa ba ang bigas nito?
I really wouldn't know. Ipapatanong natin sa kusinera.
Mas okay po kung mamaya na yung rice para hindi kayo mabusog kagad. Gusto po muna kayo kasi meron pang mas masarap na pagkain darating.
Ah, talaga?
Mami, hinay-hinay lang ha. May darating pa doon ng ulam, mas bongga.
May kanin na! May tinapay pa! Sana magpansit! Dapat may pansit for good luck. Tama ba?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much!
Dan kayo dito ha. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
And more power!
Thank you.
Ay! Talagang ayaw niyo magpabalot? Ang daming tirang ulam!
Oo nga. Salamat po.
Oh, bye-bye! Bye to you, everyone!
Thank you very much.
Good night.
Have a pleasant evening! Text, guys!
Lovely. I really had a great time.
Talaga, salamat din, Steph, ha. Sana lagi kang papasyal dito.
You don't have to say that. I ka naman dinadalo si Tito Fernando eh. Among many other things. Well, good night. Good night, Tito Marikit. Good night, Lovely.
Bye, Steph.
Good night, Amir.
Have a nice time!
Uuwi ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Halika, kwentuhan muna tayo. Siya iniisip mo, no?
Ha? Sino?
Sino pa? Eh di si Stephanie.
Lovely.
Ka ba? Okay lang yun. You can emote in me. Ay, sensya ka sa English ko ah. I'm not very good in English kasi. Anyway, don't worry. I'm getting over there. There's always a saying, practice is perfect.
It's alright.
Alam ko namang dati kayo eh. Teka, ano nga ba nangyari? Bakit ka naghiwalay?
I'll never be able to walk again.
We will get a second opinion, Steph.
It's gonna be the same thing. I have to get back what's mine. Hindi ako papayag na mapunta kay Lovely ang pamana ni Tito Fernando. Hindi.
Pero paano?
You have to promise me that you'll do anything that I ask from you.
Steph.
You ruined my life, Javier. You have to promise me that you'll do anything and everything that I ask from you.
Okay. Okay, I promise.
Tandaan mo yan, Javier. You promised.
talagang gusto mong gawin ko?
Marry Lovely.
What?
Make her fall in love with you and marry her.
Javier. Uy, bakit naman wala ka dyan?
We just realized that we are not meant to be.
Ganun lang yon?
Ano lang?
Kawawa naman si Stephanie.
Dahil ba sa kapansanan niya?
Hindi. Kasi, binitawan ka niya. Tignan mo ay ang gwapo-gwapo mo. Pagkatapos, ang bait-bait mo pa. Maalalahanin ka pa.
Bakit parang ito yung